Hey guys, I am vlogging today and I just put my hair up in a ponytail. It's crazy because I just did it fast and I am gonna be vlogging today. I haven't been vlogging because I spent the night at my friend's house and it was the last day of school on Friday, so tomorrow is Monday but we have no school. Tuesday I think I'm going to the pool because after tomorrow it's supposed to be open. And yeah, so I'm going to be vlogging today. I just woke up, so sorry if I had no anything, my voice is very still and everything. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. So hello. It is a little bit later, hold on. Yeah. It's a little bit later, I'm out of bed now. We do just have something planned, I forgot to tell you. I don't know if I'm going to vlog anything there. I have a brace. Oh. But anyways, my dad's friends invite us to this crawfish thing every year, I think, on Memorial Day weekend. And it is Sunday, so it is Memorial Day weekend. Because tomorrow's Memorial Day. They invite this to us, I think, every year. And it's a bunch of my dad's friends from his first job. And his first job was he used to work at a pizza place. So, he has this one friend, he's a cop. And he just had a baby girl named Emma. And we used to always, when me and my brother were little, we used to always call him Copper Boy. Because we didn't, know. And all his friends, somebody named Reed and other people do. So yeah, that's what we have today, guys. So we have cinnamon rolls making the oven. Looks so good. Oh yeah. No, those ones legit look perfect. And I'll show you guys how much time we have left and we have the icing. Okay guys, so I got my cinnamon rolls. Here they are. I'm the one who iced. I iced all of the cinnamon rolls. It's beautiful outside. I might show you guys that later. And I'm about to start watching some Netflix, so let me go to my... You know I'm addicted to Netflix. Woo, Netflix, yay! I love Netflix, you guys. So, hold on. Okay, so... can never go wrong with some, Friends. Now, I've seen all the episodes of Friends a million times, but I'll watch it again because it's such a great show. On that last episode, every time it makes me cry. Such a good show. Work. It's not working. Hold on, guys. Just about to get in the shower. So I just got out of the shower. I'm having some gum right now, and this is my OOTD today. Never give up shirt. And then these athletic shorts. And again, wait, it's too hot for you. These mismatched. They're not mismatched. Are these Nike socks? I don't know what they are, but they're some sort of socks. They're the same type of socks, except one's purple and one's blue. I think it's supposed to be like that. And my Under Armour slides. And then my hair is just up in a ponytail with my headband like I always do. And I'm chewing juicy fruit right now. And I got out of the shower a little bit ago. shaved. And that's it right now. I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's me. We just got back. We were gone at the place where we ate our crawfish, and I don't know why I even put this on. Where we ate our crawfish, and yeah, we had crawfish, and there's a bunch of other good foods there, like they had donuts there. No joke. And they had a bunch of other stuff, fruits, desserts, and I'm gonna add in some pictures that we took there. So, yeah. Hello guys. I'm back in my room. I'm very hot. I was cleaning the basement, and the sun is going down. Tomorrow is Memorial Day, so I'm gonna be vlogging. Hopefully I can get this vlog uploaded tonight. And yeah. What else? Just, yeah. That's probably gonna be the end of the video. I don't think I have anything else planned, and I'm really dirty. I was outside relaxing my feet. I'm gonna clean my room tomorrow too. Tomorrow's Memorial Day, so I'll have a vlog, as I said. But yeah. Bye, you guys.